Hi, this is Tony Burke with Accutech Home Inspections. Today I'd like to show you something that kind of happened in my own house. Our dishwasher started throwing a fault code, and had somebody come out, and it was going to be about $500 a fix. It didn't match being stainless against all the other new appliances, which was black stainless, so my wife wanted to get a new one. One of the things that we needed to do in preparation for the new unit to be arriving next week is to remove this and have this the space available. One of the things that we always tell buyers is that home inspectors do not operate shutoff valves. We can operate spigots, we can operate faucets, but the reason why we don't is when a shutoff valve's been setting in a spot for several years or decades in some cases, and then when you turn it, guess what happens? It starts leaking. So I come over here, and this is the shutoff valve for the dishwasher, and of course as soon as I shut off the water, it started leaking out. So that's one issue. Well, I went out to mow the lawn that evening, and my wife says, "Well, I'll clean out the stuff underneath the dish or underneath the sink." And of course, she must have bumped it, because all of a sudden she runs outside saying, "Hey, we've got a big water leak and everything." And that was because the dishwasher drain line, which is connected to the garbage disposal, she knocked it off. That's going to have to be taken care of. I mean, we've got it hooked up right now, but this does not have a visible air gap. Not a big thing, because a lot of the new dishwashers have one built in, usually behind the unit, which we can't pull out to see, but we're going to make sure that when the plumber comes out to do all this other work, that it's done properly and it has a visible air gap, which means that red hose actually has an air gap above the bottom of the sink. So we're going to take care of that. Well, once again, we don't move furnitures, we don't move any type of things underneath sinks, and so that's a reason for that. But I also didn't realize until last night, when came in and ran this and found out that the little connector here that holds the drain line for the right side sink had deteriorated. The house is 21 years old, and of course we've been going through and replacing some things for the plumbing over the last year, just because things start kind of breaking at about the 20-year point. So we're going to have a plumber come out on Monday, Massey Creek Plumbing, and they're going to pull the dishwasher, replace the shutoff valve, put the proper air gap for the drain line into the disposal, and also replace the down tube for the right side sink. So that's one reason why we don't move stuff, because the last thing we want to do is flood a client's house, cause some issues, and have unhappy clients. So just kind of want to show you this and everything. Just kind of funny now that we look back on it, but especially when it happens to yourself then. But just kind of explains why we aren't allowed to do that. We don't want to break things, and that's why some things we just can't operate, and we always try to tell our clients, that when we first start doing the home inspection. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 937-344-4663, or check us out online at Accutech, ACCUTECH-homeinspections.com. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.